Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn about chemistry, the same topic, atomic structure. So, in this topic, already you cleared about the structure of an atom, Dalton's atomic theory, and Thomson's Plum-Pudding model, and Rutherfords Goldfoil method. Okay, so these are the things already you know about clearly. Now the same topic, but you have to know more about atomic number and mass number. Okay. Before you learn about atomic number and mass number, you should know about limitation of Rutherford's model. So according to electromagnetic theory, a moving electron should accelerate and continuously lose energy. Due to the loss of energy, path of electron may reduce and finally the electron should fall into the nucleus. If it happens, atom becomes unstable. But atoms are stable, no. So the Rutherford's model failed to explain the stability of an atom. After Bohr's model of an atom, he explained the causes of the stability of the atom in a different manner. So, first he explained about in atoms, the electrons revolve around the nucleus in stationary circular paths called orbits or shells or energy levels. While revolving around the nucleus in an orbit, an electron neither loses nor gains energy. An electron in a shell can move a higher or lower energy cell by absorbing or releasing a fixed amount of energy. So, these orbits or shells are represented by the letters K, L, M, N or the numbers N, 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. So, the orbit closest to the nucleus is the K shell. Look at the picture. It has the least amount of energy and the electrons present in it are called K, that means electrons. Okay, so these orbits are associated with a fixed amount of energy. So Bohr called them as energy level or energy shells. So here Bohr explained that K, L, M, N. Okay, so that means the number of atoms first circular, that means near closest to the orbit, it is called that means K shell. Okay, and least amount of energy. Okay, and next L, next M, next N. So increasing the level, that means amount of energy, it is increasing like this. Okay, that way he explained that N1, N2, N3, N4. Okay. So atomic number means number of protons in an atom. Okay, that is the meaning atomic number. Before you have to know about that means atomic number, you just know about the subparticles, electrons, protons and neutron, and these properties, that means what is the symbol, how much electronic units in it, and what is the mass. Okay, amount of mass unit is which is that. So these are the things you have to know. Now look at the table, it show about the properties of subatomic particles. So subatomic, it is nothing, electron, proton and neutron. Okay, so these are that charge, -1, +1, 0, these are the charge. Okay, and there are two structural parts of an atom, the nucleus and the empty space in which there are imaginary parts called orbits. Look at the picture, orbits, electrons revolves in orbits or as shells. And middle place, that means center place, that is called nucleus. It contains protons and neutrons. You already know that electrons occupy different energy levels called orbits or shells. The distribution of electrons in different shells is called electronic configuration. Okay, now I show you on table. This is that shell. Already I shown the picture KLMN. So 1, the value of number, that means number of 1, 2, 3. First cell, second, third and fourth. What is the maximum number of electrons? You have to use the formula 2n squared. Okay. Cells are represented like KLM. So first cell using 2n squared formula, 2 into 1 square 2. So like that LMN. You know very well K is the closest cell, closest to the nucleus. Okay, so using the formula 2n square and find out the maximum number of electrons in the elements. Okay. Next thing, what is mass number? It is nothing. The total number of neutrons and protons in an atom is called the mass number. Okay, so totally in your 7th standard they given first 20 elements and their mass number and atomic number. Okay, so in this picture they given the first 20 elements. Okay, I said no, totally 118 elements, but in your book they given the first 20 elements and their symbol you know very well, and their mass number and the atomic number. Okay, and that where it is first cell or second or a third or a fourth. Okay, so these are that given in your book, so recall this.